Hello, I'm Ann Gonzalez with Harmony Ops for DPC, and today I'm going to go through how to make a simple workflow when somebody fills out a form on your website, and the form is connected to Harmony Ops CRM. That's Customer Relationship Manager. So right here, this is the platform. This is what it looks like inside. So we're going to create a workflow from scratch. And every workflow has a trigger, so something that starts everything off, hence trigger. So this one's going to be a form submitted. So form submitted, and then you need to pick which form. And form is, I'm just going to pick this one. It's the first one. Okay, so that is the form submitted. Next, you'll want to create an opportunity. So this is kind of when you're putting someone in your pipeline to follow along where they are on their journey as far as coming into your world. So they're going to go into this pipeline. I just picked it because it's the first one, and I'm going to pick that first one there. And then you're also going to want to add a tag. And so this tag I'm picking this one, but what you probably want to name it is maybe the source where they came from. So if they came from your website, or other people if they come in through your voice AI, for example, or if they came in through Facebook. So you just want to identify, because then it helps you figure out what kind of marketing efforts are working the best. Okay, so after that, then you can go ahead and set up an email. And this can be the first in a sequence, or it can be just one. And you can put a little header, and then you can put your email. And when you do your email, you can do a custom value so that you can put the person's first name there. Then you do your email, your signature. All right. And then if you are doing some ads, for example, you can do UTM tracking, which is whenever you've seen a web page online and you would think that the URL should be this long, but it's like this long because it has the website plus a bunch of numbers and letters and symbols. That's the UTM, and that helps track for Google Analytics. And then add tags. So if somebody clicks on, say, if you had a link in your email right there, then it will tag that person if they clicked on something. If you wanted to test your email, you can put the test email address here, send that test mail. I'm just going to save that for now. So this is the workflow. It's just very simple. And if you wanted to continue it, you can. You can just continue to add more text messages or emails. You can insert wait times so that you can have it go every day, every 2 days, every week, every year. And that's all possible. This is in Harmony Ops. The great thing about having these automations is that it takes the routine busy work off your plate. So it's that mental load, takes that off you, and that gives you time and the space, the mental capacity to deal with the other things that are more important, like your patients. So Harmony Ops for DPC. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'd love to tell you more about the platform. Thanks.